In front of me is Poco C61 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to hit system. Now tap on gestures and click on one-handed mode. Then use this switcher to activate it and follow all of those instructions. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. If you are using 3 buttons navigation though, this option will be disabled. So to use one-handed mode, use the switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut and then click Got It in the pop-up. Now tap on this shortcut to enter or exit it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!